presenting the life reel of Mr. Daya. Action.
दया दरवाजा तोड़।
कट कट। अबे दया मतलब ये दया नहीं तो कौन सा दया? अरे दया मतलब हर पार्टी की जान, 50 की उम्र में भी एम्बिशियस नौजवान, समंदर की गहराइयों पे जिसने किया राज, इंडियन नेवी के सर्विस का जिसके सर पे है ताज।
अरे भाई बचाओ, मैं डूब रहा हूं।
ये अपना वाला दया है जिसने सबको हंसाया है और अपने कर्तृत्व का झंडा पूरे विश्व में लहराया है। अपने हंसमुख स्वभाव से सबका दिल जीतने वाले दया की हंसी का राज छुपा है उसके संघर्ष में। ये संघर्ष शुरू हुआ मुंबई में परेल की एक छोटी सी कॉलोनी। प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति को अपने हंसी से हराकर छोटी उम्र में ही नेवी ज्वाइन करने का बड़ा सपना इस नौजवान ने कब देखा किसी को पता ही नहीं चला।
Dayanand Ganji, my brother, I vividly recall, when he was at pre-primary school, like first standard, second standard, we found him very naughty. He used to catch up a lot of fights with the schoolmates.
When I still remember the moment you used to bang your head on the wall when mom doesn't give money, I was really worried.
And immediately after 10th standard, we found him very serious, and he joined armed forces. And it was very surprising for all of us. There was nobody in our family there is an armed forces.
Daya joined Indian Navy as an artificer apprentice in the year 1988. After finishing marine engineering in August 1992, he served on different warships and naval training establishment as faculty in charge. He then retired from Navy as Master Chief ERA in 2008. It's a pride that he served the nation for 20 years. Even after retiring from Navy, Daya continued to excel his career. His talent is appreciable on world level. He got opportunity to work with a global company, GE. He joined GE as a field technical advisor in Saudi Arabia in 2008. Currently, he is working as project management specialist and is based at Bahrain. His talent, determination, patience, fighting spirit and hard work has brought him to this stage. And of course, the strongest support of his lovely wife Shilpa.
Daya, mera साथी. I still remember the purity of thoughts in his eyes when I met him first time in 1998. Then our meetings made me fall for him. I feel fantastic to be his friend and mentor, as he says so. As a companion, he is the best, the perfect, except few irritating things which he does sometimes. Irritating things like snoring sometimes, making loud chewing sound while eating food, then nodding his head in approval as if he has heard me when I talk to him. But in reality, he hasn't listened to me. But my journey with him for last 22 years is the best thing that ever happened to me. Trust and love are the two pillars of our relationship. I feel happy that he is always beside me, and I feel lucky to have him as my companion. मैं लेखक हूँ तो एक शेर दया के नाम। उनकी हंसी सी यूं उनकी हंसी से यूं एक आंसू छलक गया। रिश्ते की गहराई थी, रिश्ते की गहराई थी, पर दिल छलक गया। रिश्ते की गहराई थी, पर दिल छलक गया।
So my 20 years of victory.
Okay, open it.
Of xerifying your brother.
Okay, open it.
Okay.
Open it. Lovely gift. Lovely gift.
Okay.
Lovely gift. Show video.
Oh, nice.
दयानंद हे माझे जावाई आहेत. ते प्रेमळ व शांत स्वभावाचे आहेत. ते स्वतः आनंदी राहतात व माझ्या मुलीलाही आनंदात ठेवतात. असा चांगला जावई मिळाला त्याबद्दल मी खूप आनंदी आहे.
దయానంద్ అన్న పేరుకు తగ్గ మనిషి, మంచి వ్యక్తిత్వం గల ఉన్న మనిషి. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా అందరిని నవ్వుతూ నవ్విస్తూ ఉంటాడు. అతనిలో ఉన్న మంచి గుణం అది. ఎప్పుడు ఇలాగే సంతోషంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఐశ్వర్యంగా ఉండాలని మా అందరి కోరిక.
You are a friend, you are a good leader, you make people live life and you are really full of life and I'm lucky to have you as a friend.
I've always found him very kind-hearted, caring and thoughtful and always empathetic towards people and supportive, and I like his attitude of positiveness. I've never seen him any negative thinking about any people, and most of all I always used to miss him in the party. I love his sense of humor and always he makes me laugh.
वैसे तो दया सबके साथ हंसता है, खिलखिलाता है, लेकिन उसके मन की गहरी संवेदना उसके करीबी लोग बखूबी जानते हैं.
I know Daya as Shilpa's husband, but let me tell you one incident that I have experienced. It was a book launch of Shilpa's first ever book. I think it was 2019, and the function went very well and Daya was looking after everything. He was busy hosting the function, and after the function ends we came to know that Daya's mom is no more. And we were surprised to hear this sad news. But मैं कहना चाहूँगी आपसे कि दया का वो जो डिसीजन था, दैट वो एक मोमेंट में उसने ले लिया था कि इट वॉज अ ग्रेट डे इन शिल्पाज लाइफ एंड शी शुड गेट ऑल द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ दैट मोमेंट. और इसके लिए उसने जो अपना दुख था, दर्द था, वो छुपा के रखा. एंड द फंक्शन रियली वेंट वेल. और उसके बाद दया ने उसको कहा कि ये ऐसे हुआ है, एंड दैट वाज एक्चुअली दैट हैपेंड इन द आफ्टरनून. और हमारा जो फंक्शन था शिल्पा के बुक लॉन्च का, वो नाइट तक चला था. इतना समय अपना दुख छुपा के रखना और वाइफ के लिए हैप्पीनेस वो बनाए रखना, इट इज़ रियली ग्रेट दया. और आई नो दया एज अ वेरी हम्बल पर्सन, वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, लविंग हस्बैंड, गुड फादर. सो मुझे लगता है कि वो जो थॉट्स है और ये जो माइंड का जो पावर है, आई थिंक इट हैज़ केम फ्रॉम हिज प्रोफेशन, हिज लविंग सी.
कठिनाइयों से भरे जीवन में भी दया ने अपने स्वभाव की मिठास कायम रखी. शायद इसीलिए दया ने बनाए खाने का स्वाद लेते वक्त आप उंगलियां तक चाट जाओगे.
Daya and myself joined Indian Navy in 1988. तो काफ़ी लंबा जर्नी है हमारा. 1994 में जब हम लोग 22-23 साल के हुआ करते थे और हम लोग INS अग्रानी में लीडरशिप कोर्स करने के लिए गए थे. तो उस दौरान क्या होता है कि यंग हैं तो डेफिनेटली भूख ज़्यादा लगेगा. और मेस में क्या होता है कि अगर आप सेकंड टाइम ग्रेवी मांगो या चिकन मांगो तो बहुत रेयर चांसेस रहते हैं मिलने के. लेकिन बढ़िया बात ये थी कि उधर पहले से ही प्लेट सजे रहते थे. मेस बॉय पहले से प्लेट ले कर देते थे सारा. तो दया ने इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाया. वो क्या करेगा, क्लास में सबसे आगे दौड़ के आएगा और फ्रंट रो में जाके बैठने का, फटाफट एक चिकन प्लेट और राइस ख़त्म करने का और क्वाइटली पीछे जाके लास्ट रो में फिर से बैठ जाओ, फिर से दूसरा प्लेट, कभी कभी 3 प्लेट। और अभी देखिए जब वी आर टचिंग 50s देन वी हैव टू बी वेरी हेल्थ कॉन्शियस। और अब तो खाना भी एकदम कैलकुलेट करके खाया जाता है। तो दैट इज अ बिग चेंज इन फ्रॉम द 18 to 20 year of age and now 50।
मुंबई के एक छोटी सी चौल में पला बड़ा बच्चा जब बड़ा होकर अपने मेहनत के दम पे करीब करीब आधा विश्व घूम चुका होता है, या फिर मुंबई के बांद्रा जैसे इलाके में अपना खुद का मकान खरीद लेता है, तो ये कोई आम बात नहीं होती। सपने देखना और उनको पूरा करना, ये तो कोई दया से ही सीखे।
So here's a little story about my dad. So back in 2019 when Pops visited Dubai, he had plans of skydiving. Now with great enthusiasm and excitement he went to the skydiving place, but sadly the authorities at the skydiving place rejected him because of his excessive weight. Now this rejection made Dad nervous. But on the good side, the nervousness motivated Dad to reduce his weight. So in the next 4 to 5 months, Dad reduced his weight from 97 kgs to 70 kilos. With proper diet and regular exercise. As soon as he was done with it, he was an inspiration to all of his family and his friends. In fact, for me too. There's also one more thing that I would like to say is that I would like to thank you for being the best father, for being the person who has always been able to take out any kind of sorrows from our lives, or for a matter of fact, never let us have any kind of sorrows. And honestly, when any of my friends they say कि यार सोम तू एकदम अपने डैड की तरह बात कर रहा है, या तो अपने एकदम डैड की तरह बिहेव कर रहा है, I feel good, I feel pride, because I would really love to grow up and be a man like you. Your hard work and your discipline is impeccable, and we as youngsters should inculcate that in our lives. That is something I admire about you and I adore about you.
दया आज 50 साल के हो गए, लेकिन दया बीइंग दया विल नेवर स्टॉप टू अचीव हिज न्यू एम्स एंड फुलफिल हिज न्यू ड्रीम्स।
My future plan is to be with my son, help him, guide him to settle down in his career. And once I retire from services, I would like to grow my own vegetables in my own farmland, that too organic. Also, I would love to travel once in every 6 months with my wife Shilpa to explore the rest of the world. My dream is also to have my own personal yacht. And thanks everyone, especially my wife Shilpa, to be part of my life and be with me in my ups and downs. I am also thankful to my brothers, parents for their support, and my friends for adding unlimited fun in my life. Cheers! Love you all.
Turning 50 may be mandatory, but growing up is optional. So, all the best, enjoy your day, and happy birthday.
Hi Diana, you are a very good human being.
दया, जैसा नाम वैसा काम, जैसा काम वैसा नाम। I have never seen a person like you.
From north to south, you have made so faith in India also, and from east to west, you are the best.
Thank you for sharing and creating such amazing moments. From high school Chedibari to joining Navy together. So, on your special day, I wish you a good health and all good things one may think of.
Since childhood, we are just like a friends, more than brothers. I really wish you 50th happy birthday. Cheers!
One of the best quality of his Chota Bada Senior Junior, you know.
सबको साथ में लेके चलता है, सबको साथ में रखने की कोशिश करता है। आजकल के ज़माने की बहुत बड़ी बात है।
I'm wishing you all the happiness possible on your birthday this year. Have a great 50th birthday.
May God bless you lots of health and wealth and with family for the future.
Hi Daya, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May God bless you and fulfill all your dreams.
You are becoming young day by day. It is your half century. We pray God that you make century with a good health.
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं. Nandu, this was for you. Keep rocking as always.